Our group field projects target the banking industry. In our interviews, we interviewed three different executives in the banking industry, namely Umit, Chong, and Caitlin, who shared the commodity of being the same industry, still in different positions. We can see their different way of communicating among different organizations. Our central focus on the importance of effective communication in the banking industry. All three interviewees suggest that effective communication with clients and colleagues is critical to build trust and establish long-term relationships. Communicating with colleagues, clients, and industry partners effectively, appropriately, and respectfully is essential. All three executives cited the need for forward-looking analysis and understanding of plans and future prospects. In dealing with high pressure and heavy workload of the banking industry itself, it is essential to take stock of the future oneself, one's business, and one's clients to address the pitfall and problem that arise.
The reason we chose the banking industry as our primary focus for this field project is that the industry is very diversified and requires different levels of communication skills. This can help us learn how to apply its communication skills to different situations. For example, some position requires communication skills with clients, and some requires communication skills with employees or other parties, such as other banks. For the interview, we selected 3 interviewees with different positions in the banking industry. A personal banker works in Canada, an investment analyst works in China, and a manager of strategic initiatives works at TD Bank. This can give us a clear comparison of what similarity of communication skills between China and Canada share and the differences between them. Those interviewees' job positions also cover entry-level positions to management positions, which can give us a broader view of how different types of communication skills help build long-term relationships among different parties. We've also gained insights from the interviewees on the differences between theoretical perspective versus industry practice. For instance, there are a lot of angles to consider in real practices, such as working in a high-pressure environment can cause some mental issues, so it is important to balance work and life.
In interview with Wamid, effective communication emerged as a key theme, with a focus on the importance of regular communication with personal and commercial banking clients. According to Mark Schwahauser, Director of Digital Banking, proactively engaging with account holders through personal banking and providing them with the tools necessary to properly manage their finances and protect themselves from fraud can help ensure a long-term profitable financial relationship. Additionally, the interview emphasized the importance of cybersecurity, with Wamid emphasizing the need for personal bankers to follow email encryption protocols and other security measures to safeguard customer information. According to a Deloitte analysis of customer privacy protections, there are some approaches like considering how customer privacy concerns may evolve as digital banking and payments evolve, increasing transparency surrounding the collection and use of customer data to build trust with them. The interview provided valuable insights into essential skills and qualities for success in personal banking, including effective communication and cybersecurity.
According to our second interview with Chong, another key finding is that offline communication is also important for market research and business analysis. Since the information gap may cause huge influence on investment when evaluating some emerging industries such as blockchain and artificial intelligence, it is necessary for investor to acquire business development prospect and repayment ability from the enterprise in need of investment through offline communication. During this process, Chong emphasized the investors should obtain first-hand information such as industrial model and operational details of Party A's company in an efficient, appropriate, respectful, and secure way. The information collection through offline communication is essential for the subsequent process of formulating the business analysis. Information security is also extremely crucial during this process.
So for our executive summary, our group fields project targeted the banking industry because we knew more people there. And in this interview, we interviewed like 3 executives in the banking industry named Ahmed, Cheng, and Catalan. So we shared a commonality in being in the banking industry and still in different positions. Like we can still see the different ways of communicating in the industry. So our first central focus was importance of effective communication in the banking industry. And all of these three interviews suggested that effective communication with clients and colleagues is critical in building trust and establishing long-term relationships. So communicating with clients, colleagues, and industry practitioners effectively, appropriately, respectfully, is really essential.